Hi everyone, it's Anam here. I am going to be showing you this last minute, well, okay, it's not really something that can be done in a minute, but like, it's something that is Christmassy, nice and festive, and it's something that I did last minute because I completely forgot that holidays were coming up and I got a little too busy and I wasn't able to film a tutorial in time, so my light stopped working. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, here we go. I got my Christmas sweater on, I got my earrings. Now we're gonna take the Beauty Bay eye base and we're just gonna blend that out. And we're gonna take the Animal Crossing green eye palette and take the darkest shade in there and just form this nice little fancy shape, and kind of following the shape of our crease with this detail brush. And then I'm gonna take a slightly more fluffy brush and blend out a lighter green on top and fluff it out with the detail brush and blend them together, and you know, just blend as I see fit, and just take a minty green shadow and just blend that all together and transition it into my skin and blend everything again with the light green. And now I'm just gonna cut everything, and now I did the other eye off camera, and I'm cutting the crease with a white paint from CC Beauty, which I got off of Amazon. And this is just a white shimmer eyeshadow from the Profusion Mixed Metals palette. Now I'm just going to start drawing these little berries on my crease. And the leaf color was a little bit too dark, so I chose the lighter green, and that seemed to appear a lot better. And this was a bit of a trial and error, so just all I can say is be patient with this and take your time, don't rush too much, and you know, breathe, drink your water, because it is taxing as hell. So yeah, now I just took a bobby pin and I started drawing these little dots to make the berries, and I started drawing my eyeliner, and I started going for this little candy cane effect on it, and I realized that the color was way too dark, so I went into the brighter red that I had, that I actually used for the berries on my crease, and I went over and did that over my liner instead. It's still not exactly the same color, but it's definitely a lot better than the color that I had on previously. So now I'm just gonna go back into that Animal Crossing palette and take the dark green shade again and blend out my lower lash line. And then I'm just gonna take the mint green brush that I had, and I'm just gonna blend out a little bit more just to transition it into my skin. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and take my Essence Lash Princess mascara and just apply that on my lashes, several coats, just to get it nice and lengthy. Now time for a classic red lip, but I'm gonna put a little twist on it just because I have to. I'm just putting this really bright red lip. I don't even know where it's from, but you can use any red lip. And I'm putting the Ulta Mineral Red Lip Gloss over top of it just to add some Christmas flair. By the way, you probably noticed I have some face makeup on. It's just a Lumi cushion and some highlighter. Not a lot, just a little bit, so. Alright everyone, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and all of the mishaps that happened in between. And I hope that you will follow along, whether it be this year
or next year or something like that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye!